Great morning, everyone. Happy Research Day. So, last meeting, I taught you how to make your theoretical framework of the study. And this time, our concern is how are you going to make also your conceptual framework of the study? So, the framework of the study, this is actually showing the relationship between variables and of course no it shows as well the flow of the study. So this is our concern this morning. But before that, for those who are new to this channel, I want you to subscribe and then hit the notification bell so that if I have new videos relating to writing, research in education, or business research, you will always be updated. So let's continue discussing. And again, our primary concern this morning is on the making of your conceptual framework of your study. Okay, so this is what we call the conceptual framework or the research paradigm. So this is the first figure to be seen in your study. So we have now the framework or we have now the paradigm, and then next is of course on the use of AI. No, because in research, AI is a very significant tool for us to be able to complete our research. Okay. On my end, I always using Gemini, no? Aside from Gemini, you can use Perplexity, you can use ChatGPT, you can use CCAI, and no, and many more AI apps na pwede nating magamit sa paggawa ng research. Okay. So, let's be consistent no on the research title that we started from the very first video. Okay. So, ito ang ikinagaganda ng AI kasi even image, even picture, pwede niyang basahin. So, dito sa gilid, we will click the plus sign and then upload image and then punta kayo doon kung saan nyo na save yung inyong image. Okay, so for example, this one. Okay. No? So, ang ginawa ko ay screenshot the image and then after that, in-upload ko siya doon sa AI app, doon sa prompt. So, ano yung gagawin natin? So, this is how we ask question AI. Discuss the figure presented and explain the relationship between boxes that represents the variable of the study. Okay. So, and then after that, ganun lang siya kasimple. After that, we are going to click the prompt. Okay, no? So, if you try to look at this, here, the discussion of the research paradigm, no? However, this manner could not be placed, no, in our manuscript. So, what we are going to do, ipa-rewrite natin sa AI. So, ang gagawin natin is rewrite the details above in a paragraph form. Okay, or in paragraph form. Okay, so yan. And then we will click now the prompt. Okay, see? So you are now given the conceptual framework of your study. So the figure, the drawing, that is the framework of the study. When we talk about conceptual, this is actually a discussion of the message or the meaning of the framework, or it is a discussion of how the framework is being connected to each other, the relationship of the boxes with each other. So this is now the conceptual framework. Okay, so I hope that you learned something today, and of course, no, it's up to us. How are we going to contextualize this? As what I have told you, it has something to do with giving us, no, the universe. The AI give us the universe, or the um, generic, no, the generic. However, before pasting it to our manuscript, we have to read so that we could be able to enhance, we could be able to change some of the wordings so that it will fit to the study that we are conducting. So, thank you so much for watching. God bless everyone and stay safe.
Way away.